Are you wondering about the fuse box and its function in the 2023 GMC Yukon XL? The fuse box protects essential electrical components, and understanding its location and layout can help you easily troubleshoot and replace fuses when needed. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Yukon XL is designed for easy access and clear labeling of fuses, protecting critical systems such as the engine, cooling fans, and electrical components. It ensures efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 GMC Yukon XL features a well-organized layout with clearly labeled fuses, providing protection for interior systems like the power windows, infotainment, and climate control. It ensures easy access for quick troubleshooting. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Yukon XL provides easy access to fuses controlling rear electrical components such as the power seats, rear lighting, and liftgate. Its organized layout ensures efficient maintenance and troubleshooting of rear systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse. A GC fuse. SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse. DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low profile fuse. A Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.